Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to see story archive on Facebook. So the first step is to either open the Facebook app on your phone or simply go to facebook.com, and after you log in you're gonna have to simply go to your settings and privacy, then simply click on settings. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down, and then you're gonna have to go to stories, and then basically here you're gonna have to make sure that you have this enabled. So as you can see, archiving your story, so automatically archive photos and videos after they disappear from your story. So this is important because if you don't have this enabled, basically you're not gonna be able to see your old stories. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to settings and privacy again, and then go to activity log, and after that you're gonna have to simply scroll and then simply click on stories activity, and basically here you can see all the posts. So if you want to, you can simply click on this, and then you're gonna be able to see all your stories posts, basically everything. So as you can see here, go to stories, and then you have here your stories activity, like let's say you want to see how you interacted with someone else's story, and then here you can see archived stories, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.